Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add a map to your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn each part of the process in clear detail so you can follow along easily. We begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the main WordPress site. This is where you will start the process of logging in and accessing the editing interface. Once the WordPress page has loaded in your browser, look to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login button will prompt you to proceed with the sign-in process. In this example, the login method used is via your Google account. When you click on the option that says Continue with Google, you will be guided through a secure and straightforward login process using your existing credentials from your Google account. After clicking the Continue with Google option, you will then be presented with a list of Google accounts if you are signed in to several. At this point, simply choose your desired Google account to continue. This step simplifies the sign-in process, eliminating the need to create a new username and password specifically for WordPress. Trusting your Google authentication streamlines your work, letting you focus on customizing your website rather than managing additional credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, the next step involves accessing the editor for your website. Scroll down to what is designated as the Quick Links section. Within this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this option will bring you to the editing interface where you can see an overview of your current website. If you manage more than one website with WordPress, this is the stage where you should click on the specific website you wish to modify. This action ensures that you are working on the correct site and are directed to the right editing workspace. Now that you have your site open for editing, locate the plus icon that sits in the top left corner of the interface. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new content elements to your page. With a quick click on the plus icon, a panel with various blocks and widgets will appear, allowing you to search for specific types of content. In the search bar that pops up within this panel, type in the word map. The search function quickly narrows down the available options and helps you locate the map element that you want to add to your website. Once the map element appears in the results, click on it to add it to your page. This gives your website the capability to display an interactive map, which can be extremely useful for showing locations, directions, or any place of interest pertinent to your content. With the map element now visible on your working page, you will be prompted to provide a URL. This URL is what connects your map to its corresponding service or account. Fill in your map URL in the provided space and then click on Embed. This step effectively establishes the connection, and your chosen map will begin to render on your site as intended. Finally, after confirming that all modifications have been made correctly, simply click on the Save button found at the top right corner of the interface. Saving your changes ensures that the newly embedded map is securely applied to your live website and that your hard work will not be lost. Following these clear and concise steps will result in a seamlessly integrated map on your WordPress site, enhancing both its functionality and user engagement. Thank you for following this comprehensive walkthrough. With these instructions, you have learned how to quickly and efficiently add a map to your WordPress website, making it more informative and interactive for your visitors. Enjoy the ease with which your new map enhances your online presence.